Don't find house.
Come bush.
Come bush.
This house hunt no be for here.
We don't know where they go again.
We don't know. Carry us around. Make them see.
We don't know.
See you. Now bush yo. It's a bush yo.
We don't know where Google Map they carry us to go.
We don't know where they carry us go. What could they follow and they go?
This, if you see this, that means we are still very much alive.
So finally, we got to the area. So this is what it looks like. That's the vicinity of the house. This is the house. I mean, I'm not really liking what's outside look like, but anyway, let's go inside. Yeah, so when you come in, this is the living room. So it's actually got two living room. So that's the first one, and this is the second one. So this second one leads to the kitchen. You can see the stairs just by the other side. So this kitchen is a small space, like it's so narrow for me, but at least it's got a lot of cabinets. Then you have a small space for laundry. Then the door opposite leads to the to the garden, and then you move into the toilet and the bathroom. I don't know how it feels to have the toilet and bathroom just after the kitchen, and the toilet is not a good size. I mean, it's quite small, but anyway. And the garden, even the garden too, let's just say, so the garden is just somewhere you can spread clothes, like you can have your cloth lining to spread your clothes that after you're done washing to keep it dry, or you can have a dryer on top of the washing machine. I don't think that can work anyway, but the kitchen is not bad in terms of cabinets. It's got a lot of storage, but I don't know. Let's just go and see what the rooms looks like. Oh, in fact, after doing all this stress locating this place, I expected more, but anyway, let's just see if the room will be encouraging. I don't know. I didn't see that there's another toilet and bathroom upstairs, so I'm not expecting, but this is the first room, which is like the master's bedroom or the big room or something. So the space is not bad anyway, at least for a two-bedroom apartment. This room is not bad. Then it has something like a walk-in closet or a wardrobe. This one is not even opening. Open now. Let's see what is there. At least let's see the space. Now wow, opening wardrobe too is a problem here. Let's see if you can see from no, I want you guys to see it, so let me just try my best to open it so that you can see what it looks like inside. Okay, yes, I've been able to open it. So I don't know if I can call this a walk-in closet, but it's got storage for you to fold clothes. Look at the upper part. I mean, it's too high, but maybe anybody can just put like a bulb or something, or just do something in there to make it like a wardrobe. I think that's that about this room. So let's see what the other room looks like. So once you just step out, then you go into the other room. So this room for me is it's small. It's small. Consider the fact that the toilet and bathroom is not upstairs. I don't understand how come it's so small. It doesn't have a wardrobe, just this small storage. So I mean, I expected it to be bigger, and this storage cannot even fix anything. Like, how many things do you want to put in this small storage? And that space is not even enough for you to put the wardrobe. So you can see what the place looks like from the window. That's the view from the window. I mean, the place is quite small. I mean, this second room is small. I don't know how to arrange it, put in the bed and everything. But anyways, that's what the two rooms looks like. I mean, getting an apartment in the UK now it's not easy at all for anyone who's already in the UK and those trying from outside the UK. You know that getting a visa is much more easier. So this is what the living room looks like from the other side. You know, I actually showed you what it looks like from when you're coming into the house. It's quite a good space anyway. I actually like it. But let's just hear what they have to say now that we have viewed the apartment. So what will be the next steps now?
Okay. Yeah, there's a detail.
Okay.
And normally just take a QR code to send to my office to tell you interesting.
Okay.
Yeah. You take it?
I have to take the QR code. Oh, okay. I'm coming. So this is actually a two-bedroom apartment, and it's located in Manchester. The house is £875 per month, I'm not actually sure we're going to get this place. I mean, we're not interested because it's quite a small space for me, and I don't like the fact that the toilet and the bathroom is downstairs. That means anytime you have to use the loo, you need to come downstairs. I mean, I'm not sure we want to go through that stress. So if anybody is interested, I wish you all the best. You can just let me know. It's £875 per month, and then is located in Manchester. So I guess our house hunt continues. I wish you guys all the best. Kindly share this video to as many people as possible. Bye for now.